Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are doing an unboxing of the FabFitFun. It came! So this is the winter FabFitFun box, and I am so excited to see what is in this box. I already love the design, this winter wonderland type of theme, so I'm super excited and I hope you guys are too. So if you want to see what is in this box, stay tuned and let's open it up. Fun is a quarterly subscription box, and this is mainly like a lifestyle type of box. So anything from workout gear, kitchen items, clothing, sunglasses, accessories, health and wellness, like it is just a well-rounded, and even beauty items, and it is just a well-rounded box. They also do add-ons. Now I was so good this quarter, I didn't get any add-ons, not even any sunglasses. So for this one, we're just going to be looking at what came in the winter 2019 FabFitFun box. So let's open this up. Again, the box is so cute. I love this like winter wonderland type of design. It is everything. I love it. Okay, so let's open up the box. Oh, that is gorgeous. So inside the box, it has like this really pink, cute, wintry design, and then we get a magazine. Now the magazine for this month is Maria Shriver. I'm not sure if I know her. I'd have to like really think about this, but Maria Shriver is the, I guess, feature of this month's winter 2019 box. That in the magazine, it also includes what came in the box as far as items and prices and all that good jazz, which is all of this good information. Okay, so let's set that aside and let's dive into the box. So we have, this is what I am looking at here, and I've left everything as far as information, referral codes, everything down in the description box if you're interested about starting FabFitFun. So just check that out for that good information. So I'm gonna rip the paper. Such a satisfying feeling, by the way, ripping paper. Does anyone else like to rip paper, or is it just me? The first thing that I'm pulling out the box, this isn't new to me. I used to have one, but it just got lost in all of like the chaos when we moved to this house. But this is the original pink makeup eraser, and I'm so excited to have it back into like my skincare routine. From waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have it back, you guys. This is awesome. I love it. And honestly, it really does take off your makeup as far as just wetting it and going all over your face, but it doesn't take it all off. So I would always recommend that you go back in with maybe a cleansing oil or a cleanser, just to really make sure that your pores are clean. But this does the job as far as if you're looking for a different alternative from maybe the makeup wipes, this would be a good alternative. But yeah, love it. Love that this is back in my collection. So that is exciting. And the next thing that I'm pulling out of the box, this is a color switch. Now I'm super excited. I do have a color switch already, but it's nice to have a backup. So let's see, this is the Intense Brush Cleanser, and this is the Vera Mona brand. Okay, so this says easy switch between your favorite shades while applying makeup with this intense brush cleaner, no water or liquids required. And that's what I love about color switches. You don't have to dip your brush in any type of solution or makeup remover. You just gently swirl your brush around the texture that's in the switch, and it cleans off. It cleans off the makeup off your brush. Now your brush may still be stained, but it won't hold any product, and then you can just dip into a different color. So it reduces the amount of brushes you would technically use for any look, and I love it. I absolutely love color switches. The first one I have is from Sephora, so I'm really glad that now I have a second one, and it's like, it's a tin, and these are honestly pretty simple to make yourself. Like, you don't have to go out and buy an actual like color switch. So yeah, I think this is like a black sponge. It's a little bit coarse, and then you just find a tin. But yeah, basically it's a color switch, and I'm glad that I have another one in my collection. So that is awesome. So the next item I'm pulling out of the box, this is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. Okay, so this looks like, all right, so it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's see, so this lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamin B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat and leaves hair soft and conditioned. Okay, so this is a heat protectant for hair. Now, like you guys know, I do wear wigs, and I don't really straighten my wigs that often, but I do have like a specific spray that I use for my wigs when I do straighten my hair. So because I won't be straightening my natural hair because it's still pretty short, I will definitely be putting this in a giveaway. So we are reaching 2,000 subscribers. I am so stoked and so blessed and so thankful. So I will definitely throw this into that giveaway, and yeah, when we reach 2K, we will see what's in the box. All right, and next out of the box, we have, let's see, this has a lot of big words. So this is the Cookie Somatology Yoga Common Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. And this is a daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. Okay, that is nice. I love anything lavender. It just calms me down so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells divine. Oh, that's so relaxing. I'm excited about this. I'm gonna use this today. Love it. Calm your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter. I love the smell of this. I mean, lavender, I have everything lavender as far as body washes. I just love using that right before bed. And this also doubles up as a hand wash, so that's great. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. And the next item out of the box, this is the Karuna Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is interesting. So the kit includes an age-defying mask, an antioxidant, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, hydrating, and renewal eye mask. That's a good hefty set. For antioxidant and age-defying face mask to a renewing eye mask, this set addresses all of your skin care concerns. And wow, yeah, you do get quite a variety of masks. That is amazing. Okay, so this one is the clarifying, and this is a face mask. And it says that this is for problem and acne skin types. So it clarifies clogged skin by deep cleansing pores, controls excess oils produced by stress, and oil-free hydration. That sounds good. Okay, so that is that. And the next one is the brightening face mask, which looks like this. And this is for hyperpigmented skin, and it solves the problem. So this promotes brighter skin tone. It gently exfoliates dead skin cells and reduces the appearance of age spots. So that's the brightening mask. And the next one is the age-defying face mask, and this is for aging sensitive skin, and it reduces the signs of aging, helps restore moisture, and revitalizes and transforms dry and mature skin. Love it. I love that these all have like different solutions for different type of skin types, so that's really cool. And the next one is an antioxidant, and this is a face mask. So this is for all skin types, and this gives tired skin a glowing appearance. Skin looks and feels healthier and promotes elasticity. So here we are, that's that color. And yeah, so there's one mask per pouch also, just to keep that in mind. And let's see, so this one is the hydrating face mask. So this is for dry, dull, and dehydrated skin. Looks like this. And so this improves hydration by 40% after one use, promotes elasticity, and replenishes the skin's moisture barrier. Interesting. I've never tried Karuna, so if you have tried this skincare brand before, let me know down in the comments, but I have never tried them myself. All right, so the next mask in this set, this is for exfoliating and face mask. This is an exfoliating face mask, and it's for oily, combination, and problem skin. So this reveals healthier, fresher looking skin, deep cleans, and gently exfoliates dead skin. Pretty color. And the last one is an eye mask. So this is a renewal, and it's an eye mask, and this minimizes the look of fine lines and dark circles. Okay, cool. So out of this set, you get 6 face masks and 1 eye mask. That really is a good deal, especially if I like these masks, then masks, say masks 6 times over. So yeah, so this is a good deal. Yeah, so as far as this set, I'm really interested to give this a try. Well, I will keep you guys updated on that one for sure. All right, and the next thing out of the box, now this looks super interesting. This is the Bluetooth shower speaker. Like, the variety in FabFitFun is insane. So I got some skincare, I have some body wash, I have some makeup remover, and now I have a shower speaker. Like, so crazy, but so good. I love it. Okay, so this is by Bando, and this says, showering just got way more fun. Use the water-resistant speaker to blast and sing along to your favorite tunes and up to 32-foot range. So this is such a cute pink, okay, so it's a suction cup over here. And I might actually see if I can exchange this suction cup for something stronger. This is just, it looks a little too flimsy for something so heavy. So yeah, I'll definitely go to Home Depot and see if I can find like a stronger suction cup, because I would hate for this to fall in the shower. But this is such a cute pink red floral design. I love it, and it comes with a charger as well. This is so cool. So you have your stop, your play, your rewind. Oh, and you can answer phone calls. It has a phone button. I mean, I don't know who I would want to talk to while taking a shower, but that's cool that it has that option. Love it. So yeah, I'm definitely, oh, this is so cool. I'm definitely going to be giving this a try today. Like, this is awesome. Okay, that's awesome. Have a look here. So the next thing I'm pulling out, this is, I think this is like a purse or a bag of some sort, which is fine with me. I love purses. Okay, so this is a Bluray Sidekick crossbody bag. Oh, so it says hip hip hooray. The sleek crossbody fits your essentials and is made with durable neoprene, making it weather resistant. Oh, that's nice. Okay, cool. So if it gets wet, don't panic, Chip. Don't panic. Yeah, okay, so I love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. I think out of all types of purses, I like crossbodies because it's not like I have to worry about it always being over my shoulder or like it's slipping. I just like it. I know it's secure. It's across my body. It's not gonna fall anywhere. So I do prefer crossbodies over like the typical like elbow purse or shoulder purse. Now the brand is Bluray, and I have never had an item from them before, and it did come with a little pamphlet, and yeah, okay, cool. Now the purse itself feels very, very soft. It's tiny. It is a small purse. Now, this is definitely like if I was traveling and I didn't want to take a lot, like if we were going exploring or something, this would be the purse I would take. It has a little zipper on the inside, and then this is the main body of the purse. Yeah, so it just comes with that main section and then the zipper, and that is it. And then you zip it up, and here is the strap. That's so cute. That is so, so cute. So yeah, I will lengthen out the strap so I can make it into a crossbody for me. But yeah, that's cute. I love it. I really do like it. I like the size. It's not too big. Very lightweight once you get like the filler out. It's really lightweight, and it kind of encourages me not to overfill my purse, which I have such a bad habit at. But yeah, so I can definitely put like my wallet in here, lip gloss, my phone, and that's really all I would need. So that's great. Love it. It's super, super cute. So the last item that is in the box is this. So this says unhide for love, not fur. And it says fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. Okay, so this is a blanket, I do believe. Stay cozy all winter long with this faux fur blanket. Yes, it is a blanket, and I absolutely need to keep this away from Emma. She will destroy this blanket. You guys, like when I tell you, I can't have anything nice in my house, Emma destroys everything I find dear and nice in my household. So this will be kept in my office, ooh, away from her, and that is soft. Oh yeah, so this is one of those like super soft, super comfy type of blankets, and it is very fluffy. Oh, that's nice. Now it is white, or kind of like a tannish type color, so I need to be careful as far as like when I have makeup on and touching this blanket, but I love it. This is so soft. Oh my gosh, this is gonna go great in my office. So yeah, so that completes my unboxing of the winter 2019 FabFitFun box. Let me know down in the comments what items kind of caught your curiosity and what you think of FabFitFun if you have this box. Again, I've left everything as far as information about the company and about this box down in the description box if you're interested. I would have to say that the winter 2019 is my top favorite box thus far. I have been enjoying the subscription box and all the boxes that I've opened up previously. I will leave the playlist in this video as well, but I've been enjoying them. But I'd have to say this box is my favorite. Everything I unboxed, I am so excited about. Even though I will be putting the hair product in the giveaway, it is still like, if my hair was long enough, my natural hair was long enough, I would definitely use this. But I do want to gift that to someone that will use it right away, because it might take some years before my hair can get that long. But yeah, I love it. I love this box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for spending a moment with me. And if you're returning, I do appreciate all of your love and support. You guys, I am so blessed and so grateful for every single one of you guys. And yeah, if you like this video, please leave it a big thumbs up. But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and you'll be notified when I post new content. And I'm so excited to just use all of this stuff. I am so thrilled. I've got this back. So thrilled. So that is all I have for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.